Well, hello there. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm making this video as a little detail for you Honda CR-V owners, such as myself. I believe model ranges from maybe 2003 or 2004 through 2006. I could be wrong about the 2003 model, but nonetheless, they have a tendency to have the actuator fail, and there are some videos out there on how to take everything out to get to the actuator part, and that's where the devil in the detail comes in, is that I have a British-made CR-V from the UK, and the actuator part is a different part, so I will show you that shortly. But I'm at the stage now where I just took the actuator lock assembly out, and I have it on my workbench to take the part off, and I'll show you that next. Okay, so now we're at the part where we're going to be swapping out the actuator. This is the part number for reference, and again, British made model, and your serial number will tell you whether you have a British made or a Japanese made model. The British made ones have an S, the Japanese ones I think start with a J. But this is the old actuator here that stopped working. I'm again passenger side. There is that one video that I used to take everything apart that refers to the driver's side, but everything is pretty similar in that respect, and disassembly, just that the part is actually different. So I'll stop the video here for now, put this thing in, and put everything back, and wish me luck. Okay, reassembly. The new actuator is back in. Put everything back in reverse order, and fairly successful. I did have this panel retainer break on me, and I'll have to pick something up there to fix that part. And basically that's just why I made this video, is just there are some nuances between the British made CR-Vs and the Japanese made CR-Vs, or Asian made CR-Vs. And there you go. Have a good day.